This video is mainly for the students who cleared the screening round in InfyTQ examinations and looking forward for the main InfyTQ exam. And many people asking me how to prepare and what are the topics to be covered in order to clear the exam. So I decided to make a video. Uh, if you don't know anything about Python programming, I'll recommend you to learn first Python basics as soon as possible. Search Python tutorial, and I recommend W3 Schools because this website clearly covered each and every topic in detail. And one more benefit is, for example, if I open the strings topic, they mention about each and every point regarding strings, and at the end of the page they mention all the string methods. See, capitalize, cast, fold, center. These methods I haven't seen in any other websites, so I recommend you to learn Python basics in W3 Schools. It hardly takes 1 to 2 days to completely read this website, and after completely reading this website, I'll recommend you to practice. CodeWatch is the best site to practice because first open the CodeWatch, create an account if you don't have. After creating an account, go to the kata section. Go to the kata sections. After in kata sections, you choose your language Python, and these are the level of each questions. I recommend you to solve at least 6 levels. One is an very easy, and so on like that. 1 to 6 levels can be solved very easily. If you thoroughly solve this 1 to 6 levels, definitely you will clear the examination. After completely solving these 6 levels, see Geeks for Geeks problems. In Geeks for Geeks, don't see data structures because data structures will not be given for programming. They will be given only MCQs on them. See, go to Geeks for Geeks practice and click on practice, and click on this practice icon. See, try to solve arrays, searching, sorting, recursion, and greedy algorithm, and few mathematical questions. If you solve this problem perfectly, you will definitely clear the examination. If you have still time after solving the 6 levels, I recommend you to Google few more topics based on arrays, strings, recursions, searching, sorting, and few mathematical questions. If you know these six concepts perfectly, you will definitely clear the examination. And regarding to MCQs, I recommend you to know the basic concepts of data structures and object oriented programming, and DBMS and SQL, and few MongoDB bits also will be asked in the examination. And after clearing that interview, you will directly get the placement in Infosys. And I think you are a fresher, so I mean it might be your first job interview. So if you have any doubts or queries regarding if you need any help to clear this examination, in description I'll mention a Telegram channel. There you can join my channel. When you are writing an exam, you can ask me doubts. I'll definitely try to help you. And that's it, guys. Keep preparing well. All the best for your examination.